Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a quick share. I did a little Aliexpress haul, and I've got some more things in that I ordered. I'd like to share them with you. But how crazy is this? Well, it's not crazy, but they all were from different stores, 3 different stores, but they all came in this one package. I don't know. So first one I have is this store here. I'm not going to even try to pronounce it, but I will have the link to the item in my description box below so you guys can go check it out if you guys are interested in purchasing it. I am not by any way sponsored. These are just stuff that I bought that I like. So this is one of them. And this is what I got from this store. There's bows, hearts, ovals, flowers, stars, all different types, and then some flat back beads. So yeah, sorry for the glare. But so that's the one I got from there. I'll have that link, like I said, in my description box below. And then this was another store. Same thing, I'll have the link to these items in my description box below. But I got these items from this store. So I got some of these sequins Mickey heads. I purchased some bigger ones than these. These are like a little bigger than a quarter, I would say. And it's the one, you know, they can go up and down, the sequins. But they look better down. How sparkly and shiny are they? So I got those. Some of these shaker sequin Mickey heads. Or maybe they were bears, I don't know. They look like Mickeys to me. But I got some of those. I got a smaller size of that, same type, just a little smaller. And then I've got some different shaped ones, hearts and stars, I believe. Yeah, so same. So I got that. And then the last store I purchased from was this Chen craft store, and I've purchased from them before. I always seem to get Disney dies from them. Yeah, so that's what this will be. I have quite a few. But here's a Mickey head, and I'll cut them out so you can see the samples. Alice, and then a swirly with Mickey heads, and then the Evil Queen and Snow in the apple, and then this is a clock piece with the Alice theme, and then these balloons. And look at this Stitchy, how cute is he? And this shadow piece, like, it's just got a bunch of Mickey icons. And then this piece here. So yeah, that's my Aliexpress haul. So if you're new here, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. If you're returning, I appreciate you showing your support and love and always coming through. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!